Welcome to the Mulesoft demos. Today I'm covering a demo on how to build a connector using Anypoint Studio. Let's start by creating a new Anypoint connector project. And the connector what we are building today is for the Uber, and Uber is exposing their services through RESTful APIs. So we will be using this option. Let's give the connector name as Uber, and API type will be REST, and authentication will be OAuth v2, and finish it. So we can see that Anypoint Studio is building the connector project for us. Our build is success. So let's open this Anypoint connector project. And let's set up our connection strategy in the beginning. So to set up our connection strategy, we will click here on developer.uber.com, and we will use this URL. Let's provide it here. Save it. And let's change the access token URL now. So our connection strategy is configured. Now let's go to the Uber con connector.java file, where we have to provide the URL for the user activity history for what we are building this connector. Let's go to the developer portal of Uber and try to find where we can get the history for the riders. So this is the method, and the URL what we have to use here is this one. Let's provide this URL here and save it. So our configurations are done. Let's install and update this connector on our exchange. In order to update this connector on the exchange, we will select this Anypoint connector option, and we will do install or update. So the connector has been successfully installed. Let's click OK and close this. I'm going to show you a demo now how to integrate this connector in any of the application. So the connector should be available on the exchange. Yes, it is available. Let's drag and drop it over here, and let's configure the connector. To configure the connector, we need to provide the client ID and client secret, which you can generate by creating a client application on the developer portals of uber.com. So I have provided the client ID and client secret what I have generated on the developer portals, and I have configured my callback URL also here. Let's select the operation as authorize, and let's save it. So you can see that we have successfully configured the Uber connector with our application here. I'm going to publish new videos which will show the demo how to use this connector in a more elaborative way. And I'm going to publish new videos on how to create connectors for different other organizations like Twitter, Twilio. There are a lot of organizations with which you can connect Mulesoft. Thank you guys.